Hello everyone, we Supreme Reiki would like to welcome all of you for the video of Hasturi Home Meditation. This meditation is a very beautiful technique which helps you to raise your body vibration by cleansing you from soul, mind and body. It really helps you in being more receptive to healing energy. Okay, so once you learn this meditation technique, I would recommend all of you to please fetch 2 minutes daily to follow this meditation technique. Okay, so now let me explain how do we go about this meditation technique. There are 7 steps in Hasturi Home meditation. The first step is Siddha. Siddha means what? The meditation posture. You have to remember 2 points. The spine should be erect, your shoulders should be apart. Okay, it should not be like this. No. Should be apart, wide apart, and you can sit down, you can lie down, or you can stand and do this meditation. Okay, but only 2 things: spine erect, shoulders apart. The second step is the Mokunin. That means intention. You have to remember that in every Reiki healing, the more precise is your intention, the more effective would be the healing. Okay, because your intentions are the command to the universe that look, I want your healing energy to heal this part of my problem. Okay, so what would be the intention for your Hasturi Home meditation? You can set up any intention, but the most general intention for Hasturi Home meditation would be like this. I'm now going to do Hasturi Home meditation to cleanse, heal, protect myself physically, mentally, emotionally and spiritually. Okay, simple. Okay, so the third step is what? Dry bathing. We call it as Kenyoku. Okay, it is dry bathing. So how do we go about it? We put our right hand on the left shoulder and we bring it out very gradually to our right hip. Okay, make sure that your fingers are not to be spread. No, it dissipates the energy. It should be together and hand should be cup shape. Hold it very gradually, run it towards your body and then bring it out to your right hip. Similarly, left hand on your right shoulder, very gradually bring it, touch your body, bring it to your left hip. Okay, and the second part of this, I will amplify my healing energies of my palm. Left hand, right shoulders, and I amplify the energies of the right palm. Similarly, right hand, left shoulders, and I stretch my hand and I bring it down on my right hand till the fingertip. I amplify the energies of my left palm. I'll repeat it again. Okay. What are the benefits of this step? We were doing like this. What is that? Sword. Sword is for protection. Okay. Then I was coming like this. I was amplifying the energies of my palm. Right? Now, the next step is Joshin Kokyu. Joshin Kokyu means to bridge your body with the higher consciousness. That means integrating your lower mind with your higher mind. Okay? How do we do it? We do it through deep abdominal breathing. Remember, from this step, please do deep abdominal breathing. Because through deep abdominal breathing, you will be able to bridge yourself from your body to the higher consciousness. How do we do about it? We stretch our hands at an arm distance. You see, arm distance. Okay, we stretch our both hands. We keep our palm facing up. We are feeling the energy. What is there here? Here is our higher self. at an arm distance, approximately at an arm distance, we have our higher self, and through our higher self we are connected to the infinite, the divine cosmos, divine creator. So we pray, we feel the energies via our palms. Okay, we do deep abdominal breathing, we bring in the light, we wear the white robe. Okay, now look, we place both our palms on our thighs. Okay, so what are we doing? We are wearing white divine robe. We are bringing out life from our higher self and we are wearing it. Okay, so we are integrating our lower mind with our higher mind. Deep abdominal breathing. I'll repeat it. So now you are the part of infinite. Why? Because we have connected ourselves with our higher self, and our higher self is the part of the infinite. Okay, so the next step would be Gasso position. Namaste position. Gasso is what? Namaste position. The hand should be at the heart chakra. The fingertips should be facing our chin. Our head should be facing forward. And then we say 5 Reiki principles. What are the 5 Reiki principles? Just for today I will not worry. Just for today I will not get angry. Just for today I will work hard and diligently. Just for today I will be kind to all living beings. Just for today I will be grateful to all my blessings. Now let me ask you one thing. If you're saying all this daily, doing this Hatchuri meditation plus reciting all the Reiki principles daily, what would you think would be the benefit of this? You know why? People have not been doing it. But if you do it, mark my words, you will reprogram and restructure your mind and your belief system. Because every day you're telling yourself, I don't have to be angry, I don't have to be worried. You are telling your mind to work hard daily, to work towards our dreams. You are reprogramming your mind. Okay, so remember to do Gasso, this, and Reiki principles 5 to reprogram and restructure our mind. And then after that you bring it little down, and then we have Station Toisu Ho. What is that? That means concentration of your mind. Where we have to concentrate our mind by focusing ourselves over our breathing. How do we go about it? See, you have to visualize that when you are inhaling, at the same time energy is flowing through your hands, getting down to 3 centimeters below your navel. Okay, then you hold your breath. When you hold your breath, then you have to visualize that your entire body is filled with divine light. Okay, then you gradually pull the energy from that 3 centimeters below your navel. You pull it out, let it go upward, come out from your hand, and then you blow. And then you will realize that you are abundant. Okay, I'll explain. I have visualized energy entering through my hands while inhaling. I'm holding and I'm visualizing every cell of my body is filled with divine light. Then I'm pulling it out. I'm pulling upward, taking it out through my hands, and then I'm blowing. Okay. So I was focusing my mind towards the deep abdominal breathing, and that is how you will automatically remove all the thoughts from your mind, because you are pushing yourself to focus on the breathing. And that's how you will not think of any other thing while meditation. Okay, so after session Toitsu Ho, then we will do again Mokunen, wherein we will have to affirm and say thank you. So I affirm that I am safe and protected and always sheltered with divine love, warmth, care and blessings. Thank you, thank you, thank you. And that's the end. I quickly do it again for you. It will hardly take 2 minutes. You can check it out. Okay. Remember, your eyes should be closed during the entire Hasturei Ho meditation. So now you look. I hope I'm visible. Okay. So yeah, we'll start. The first step, meditation posture, spine erect. Second, Mokunen. I'm now going to do Hasturei Ho meditation to cleanse, heal, protect myself physically, mentally, emotionally, spiritually. Third, we have Kenyoku Try Bathing. Left hand, okay, right, anything you can do. Left hand on your right shoulder, bring it down to your left hip. Right hand on your left shoulder, bring it down to your right hip. Amplifying my right palm. Right. Now, bridging body to the higher consciousness as well as wearing the light. Okay, through deep abdominal breathing. I am now in white color. I'm a light body channel. Wow, I'm a light worker. That is how you're going to visualize. Next, we have Kyaso position. Just for today, I will not worry. Just for today, I will not get angry. Just for today, I will work hard honestly. Just for today, I will be kind to every living being. Just for today, I will be grateful to every blessing of my life. Okay? Visualizing energy going in through my hands while inhaling, holding, visualizing every body is filled with divine light, then pulling it up through my hands. It is coming out and I am now abundant. Okay, I am now safe and protected. I know I am always sheltered with divine love, light, blessing, care, warmth. Thank you, thank you, thank you. So this is about Hasturei Ho meditation. Please do it daily. It takes hardly 2 minutes. Okay, and this will empower your healing attunement sessions. So when you do this meditation, make sure in step 2 of breathing, we have centering, right? In Supreme Reiki, we have defined those 9 steps. So first step is grounding. Second step is what? We have done centering. So we do it via deep abdominal breathing. So in that step 2 of centering via deep abdominal breathing, please do Hasturei Ho meditation. Perfect. Absolutely going to be miraculous. Loads of love and light, Supreme Reiki. Namaste.